What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video. So as you can see, VRSdesign were kind enough to send me out a case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and this is the Glide Pro case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So we're just gonna unbox it and take a look around it and see what I think. So as you can see, it does look very nice. You see the ridges and grooves in the back. There goes the grooves for protection. There's your lanyard loop. On this side, you get screws. That's a very nice look. You do get access to putting cards in your case. If you are that kind of person that likes doing that, you can do that. You do get a nice deep cutout in the back for the camera, and this is what the case looks like. So now let's put a card in there real quick. I think you could put up to 2 to 3 cards in here. Now let's pick up my iPhone 15 Pro Max, place it in like so. As you can see, it does look and feel good. On the back, that really does look and feel good, and it looks very nice. You get a nice lip cut out, so if you place your phone flat down on the table, it will not touch because the stand is blocking it from touching on the camera. But that's a good thing, you know, you don't have to worry about your camera getting scratched. Overall, it does just look nice, feels nice. It does add just a little bulk to your phone. It says VRSdesign on the back, as you can see. I just love the way this looks, and the ridges in there look very, very nice. It's very sturdy. On this side, you do have power button, nice and clicky, as you can see. And then we turn over here, you get your volume up and down button, which are nice and clicky. You do not get a button for your action button, but you can still access it if you need to get access to it. It's there. Nothing on the top. Nothing there. You get more lanyard loops if you're into that kind of thing. At the bottom here, you do get all the cutouts that you would need for your charging, and you would have to use USB Type-C because this will not allow you to use wireless charging because of the card holder is blocking the access for wireless charging. So if you don't really care about that, then you are good to go. I would recommend this case if you don't care about wireless charging because it is a nice looking case overall. It has a nice lip on it, as you can see. You can take this to the store, put a card in there, and be good to go. But as you can see, look how big the lip is. So if you place it flat down on the table, I know you're good to go and protect it.